to AB from offshore, cruise, fish, far away, general cargo, a small ship, cabin of 4, not wifi, to embark 1,074, 2,850 euros net, Italian flag, Roros, previous experience 12 months on board, apply urgently. If you do not have a Wi-Fi, if you are in a cabin of 4 people, if you are tired of the selfies, of the cruise massification of humans on board the cruise, or if you are in a little general cargo with no Wi-Fi, with 4 people in a cabin, and then also you are in a small general cargo with no Wi-Fi, and you are now sailing in a container ship, flag of convenience, now far away, or you are on board offshore with no social security, we are talking about 2,850 euro net, Italian, not required English, like subscribe, pass to all your friends on board now your ships, or if you are from Croatia, Slovenia, Sweden, Finland, Poland, Estonia, Latvia, Lithuania, Spain, Portugal, France, Belgium, Germany, Greece, all the European countries, apply urgently if you would like to be on board 37,000 ton to 67,000 ton Roro, Italian flag, state-of-the-art Mediterranean trade from Spain to Italy. So if you are from Eastern Europe, you can join in Italy, and then West Europe, you can join in Barcelona, Valencia, very close to your home, always sail in the Mediterranean with the smiling people. You will live much longer if you are surrounded by smiling people. That's proved. So if you are living with northern people, never smile. Therefore, please join Candina, Mediterranean waters, closer to your family, ESG, corporate social responsibility, transparent with the social security, with the Wi-Fi, 2 people on board the cabin, Italian professionals, state-of-the-art, very nice Italian food on board, yes, so please apply urgently. This is very urgent. We need 20 plus reliefs, that's 40 ABs, 2-4 or 2-5, apply urgently. English not required, so if you know someone that is really not so good in English, it's okay. We have basic Italian language manuals for safety. Safety is first, so you would need to read these manuals within Candina if you apply crew inspector urgently now, and then we can give you this job very fast, because this owner has 22 Roros, 11 67,000 tons, 11 37,000 tons, state-of-the-art, very modern. So please apply urgently. This is the job for you of your lifetime. Thank you. Bye.